All right. Next question. We have this inequality, but they say that we must solve for x. So the first order of business is that I need to dissolve this denominator. So what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply on this side by the denominator. I multiply there with the denominator. I multiply here with the denominator. These two cancels out these two. Positive times negative, it's a negative 2, is less than. Now we've got x plus 3 here, and is less than 5 by 2, which is 10. Now observe we've got this positive 3 here, but we want x to remain here in the center. What do? We're going to transpose it to the left side, so we've got negative 2, negative 3 is less than x. Then we're going to transpose it to the right side, so it becomes minus 3. Negative 2, negative 3 gives us a negative 5, less than x. 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. Then this is your final answer. Then you are officially done with the question. So we move on to the next question. Our next question wanted us to factorize. So what were we given on the factorization? We were given m squared plus, then what else were we given? We were given m open bracket 4 plus n close bracket plus 4n like this, right? So this, they asked us to factorize. So first order of the business, I'm going to say m squared plus m by 4, it's 4m, and m times n, it's mn, plus 4n. Then from there, observe, I have m, even though these are 2, so m is a common factor, so we factor out m, then we're left with m here plus 4, and then we've got n here and n there, so we factor out n, then we're left with m plus 4. Observe the brackets there, the same, identical, so we write m plus 4 first, then we take m plus n second. We're factorized. We're done factorizing, right? Then we go to the next question. It also needed to be factorized. They said x squared minus 13x plus 42, right? So what was the first order of business here? I write my x in the first bracket, I write in the second bracket, I close down. I come to this part, it's saying it's a positive. Now, here I check the sign, it's saying negative. So I know that it's a negative and it's a negative here. Why? Negative times negative, when I'm multiplying the last terms, it gives me this positive. And when I multiply the first term, it gives me negative. This one, negative as well. Now I want the factors of 42. That when I add them, they give me negative 13. And those factors are negative 7 and negative 6. Then if you say x times x, x squared, right? X by x, x squared, right? Then positive and negative, negative. 6 by x, 6x, this and that, negative. 7 by x, 7x. Negative and negative, positive. 7 by 6, 42. This and that, negative 13x plus 42. And we've got x squared. So we factorized completely, and it's correct. There is no mistake there, right? Okay.